I was like 5 or 6, and somebody in the class was asking me Yatahe, which literally means like, what tribe are you? I figured out later on, but I thought he was asking me, who are you? And my response was, I'm Yusuf. He's like, no, who are you? And I was like, I'm Yusuf. No, who are you? I'm Yusuf. And I was getting really angry at this point, because I was like, I'm answering your question. Like, why do you keep doing that? So whenever I see people engaging or indulging in tribalism, especially the younger generation doing that, I just look at them like, why? I grew up in a council estate in West London. I wasn't worried about tribe X. I was being asked what postcode I was from. I wasn't being asked what village I'm from. I was being asked what ends I'm from. It's a completely different reality that we're living in. When I was growing up, this idea that I would only be okay if I was able to get the Nike trainers. I would only be okay if I was able to try get a Gucci belt. You're just trying to feel like you fit in. You're trying to feel a little bit human. You're just trying to feel like you belong. But in that process of belonging, what are you actually giving away? If you let somebody else put a script or a set of ways of being or doing or telling you how you have to exist, you've given away the only freedom that you have. If you don't end up making choices for yourself, what I've found ends up happening is that in your heart, you start breathing resentment. You become a very reactive person. It's not what happens to you, it's what are you gonna do about it. Now that gap is where freedom lives. You navigate the world through your own eyes, and there's no blueprint to being human. You got to live it out for yourself, and that process that you go through, that flow that you go through, that's your story to tell. Tell your story and write your own story.